Welcome to this automated invoices tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly generate and send invoices to your customers with Clasero. Start by choosing the month you want to generate invoices for, then press Add. You'll see two options: generate invoices based on attendance, generate subscription, prepayment invoices. We'll go through both. Here we can see that for this month, there are 53 attendances available to invoice. Simply press Create, and Clasero will generate invoices for all clients who have the pay-per-visit payment method set. Now let's generate invoices for clients who use the subscription payment method. These should be generated at the beginning of the month, unlike pay-per-visit invoices, which are usually done at the end of the month. Choose the branch, choose the class. Select the clients you want to invoice. Set the subscription start date. Note, in your service settings, make sure you've set the subscription length. In my previous setup tutorial, I've set it to 30 days. If a month has more or fewer days, adjust the subscription length in service settings to match current month. Once everything is set, simply press Create Invoice. And just like that, Clasero has generated invoices. Now let's see how to edit and send the invoices you've generated. You can review each invoice and make changes before sending them out. First, let's take a look at how Clasero generated PDF invoices look. If you want to edit an invoice, click on the invoice number, press Edit. For example, I'll change the price. That's it. Clasero updates automatically, so there's no need to press save. You can close the tab and see the updated invoice instantly. Once you've made all necessary changes, press Invoice Preparation Complete, and you're ready to send them to your customers via email. You can also download all invoices in PDF format or download a CSV file to upload into your accounting system. Thank you for watching this Clasero Automated Invoices tutorial. Join me in the next video where I'll show you how to quickly sync your bank statements to invoices so you don't have to spend time manually linking payments.